guys, we're going to be doing the last part of our lab, which is the analysis questions, and so far we have part 1 and part 2. So right now, I'm going to start with part 1 first. The first question is, what was the actual pressure-volume relationship you discovered? In this specific lab, unfortunately, due to technical difficulties, there was no actual relationship discovered. However, the real relationship, by theory, would be the less volume, the less a volume, the more a pressure, and vice versa if the two are ever switched around. Now, the second question. What could have caused an error in volume measurement in your experiment? Our answer to that was the error would possibly have stemmed from the syringe and possibly not correctly attaching it to our little tube. And then the last question would have been, what would have happened to your results if the syringe leaked when compressed? Oh Lord, I don't know how I would explain that. The results would have at least had a similar outcomes, and there was really no data in both outcomes, and I would assume there wouldn't be any if the syringe had compressed or leaked. Now we'll move on.
The analysis questions. Number 1 says, based on your pressure versus temperature data, how is the pressure related to the temperature? Well, as the temperature increases, the pressure increases. In question 2, it asks, do your results support your predictions? Why or why not? Our data table was not accurate, but before the lab, we predicted the pressure will increase as the temperature increases. And in number 3, based on your pressure versus temperature data, what is your estimate for absolute zero? The estimate of the absolute zero was about 110 degrees Celsius. And question 4, how does your estimate for absolute zero compare to the accepted value of negative 273.15 degrees Celsius? Well, we took negative 273.15 and we subtracted 100, we got 173.15 degrees Celsius. And so it compares to the last part.
And that is the conclusion of our lab. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope it helps.